Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge, level 22. The prompt for this level is the same as it was for the previous level. A program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron, the time-based job scheduler. And they recommend that we look into /etc/cron.d for the configuration and see what command is being executed. Let's head over to the terminal. Similarly to the last level, we first want to change directory. These are the files that are available to us. We want to advance to the Bandit 23 level, so most likely our clue will be related to this file. Let's read it. So upon reboot, the Bandit 23 user will execute this file in the background, and then it will redirect the output to dev null. Now you might see the similarities between the Bandit 21 level and the Bandit 22 level. However, the differences will be in what is next. Dev null is a place where anything you send to it gets deleted. So our clue must be here. Let's read this file. This is a shell file. Let's analyze it. They execute the whoami command and store it in the myname variable. Whoami prints the effective user ID. So in our case, our user ID is bandit22, so whoami prints bandit22. Then the result of this command is stored in the myTarget variable. This command prints IAMUser and then the value of this variable. It creates an MD5 sum, which is like a cryptographic hash of this string. Then it applies the cut command with the space as the delimiter, and it prints out the first column. Then it prints out this string, and then it copies over the password file, which in our case would be bandit22, to temp, and then this value. So if we execute this file as the bandit22 user, we get the following. It copied over the bandit22 password to the following file. But we don't want the bandit22 password. We want the bandit23 password. So earlier it indicated that the bandit23 user executes the same file. So we need to figure out what this result file would be if we were the bandit23 user. If we were bandit23, the whoami command would return the bandit23 value. So we can replace this with bandit23, and then let's figure out the myTarget value. So we copy over the entire command, we replace the myname value with bandit23, we hit enter, and this is the value of the myTarget variable. So then the program would read the bandit23 password and store it in /temp/myTarget, which is again this value. So let's see if we can read that file. We successfully obtained our password. Now let's log out and register our completion. We want to log out by either typing logout, exit, or hitting Ctrl D. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 22, we type the reachal command. Everything is successfully synchronized. Let's head over to the reachal website to verify. We update. Congratulations on completing level 22. You rock. Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.